Let me show you all of the camera shooting methods in Oppo A6 Pro 5G. So first of all, let's open the camera on our device. We can then move to these three lines in the top right corner of the screen and enter the settings. Go to the shooting methods. Now there's two options, tap to capture and show palm. Now when we enable both of the options, we can go to the tap to capture. You just need to tap anywhere in the viewfinder to take a photo, which basically should work like this, and that way we can take a photo. The other way to do it is, let me flip the camera. Not sure if this will work right now because it depends on what's on your camera, but yep, it works fine. You need to show your entire palm to the camera screen, and that way you'll be able to take a photo as well. And of course, lastly, the option to take a photo is to just press on the shutter button. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.